Good morning, my dear students. Let us start today's class. We are learning the short story The Suitor and Papa, written by Anton Chekhov. In our previous class, we learned about Pietro Petrovic Milkin and the name of his beloved Nesta Kandraskin and her father. When some people and friends of Pietro Petrovic Milkin were talking about his marriage with Nesta Kandraskin, the daughter of court councillor Kandraskin, at the time he was shocked because that he is simply working and dining and taking dinner at the house of Nasta simply because he thinks Nasta as his friend. Whenever it's a rumor become around the environment, at the time Piotr Petrovich Milkin decided to meet the father of Nasta, the court councillor Kandraskin, to stop this rumor. So he reached the office of Piotr Petrovich Milkin. When Piotr Petrovich Milkin reached the office of Kandraskin, at the time there were some conversation in between Pietro Petrovich Milkin and the father of Nesta Kandraskin, that is the court councillor Kandraskin. Here you can see the peak. This is Pietro Petrovich Milkin, and he is the opposite is the father of Nesta Kandraskin. The picture is given in your text. So, what was the conversation in between the two persons? Let us know today. Whenever he reached the office of the Kandraskin, at the time Kandraskin surprised and told Pietro Petrovic said his host in greeting. So, in a greeting, the Kandraskin said, name the Pietro Petrovic. How are we getting on? Missing her. How are we getting on? Missing her. He. Nasta. Will be here in a jiffy. She has just popped over to the gossips for a moment. Whenever the Pietro Petrovic Milkin reached the office at the time, Kandraskin greets his to-be daughter's husband, that is Pietro Petrovic Milkin, and he inquired about his situation, about how he is getting on, and he also told Milkin that are you missing Nasta? With a smile. With a smile, he was the Kandraskin was talking with Pietro Petrovic that Petrovic, how are you? How are we getting on? You are missing. Are you missing Nasta, my daughter? He. At the time he was smiling. Then said Nasta will be here in a jiffy. That Nasta will come here with a very short moment. She has just go somewhere quickly and suddenly he will come here over to the gossips for a moment. Suddenly or for a short time he has gone somewhere and she will be she will arrive here. Don't worry about her. I think you are missing. I think you are missing my daughter Nastya. So she will arrive here. Don't worry about her. Are you well? In this way, he uh, wishes he welcome Pietro Petrovic Milkin to the office of Kandaskin. Next you see, as a matter of fact, I haven't come for Anastasia Kirillovna, mumbled Milkin, scratching in embarrassment. I have come to see you. There is a certain matter I must discuss with you. I have got something in my eye. At that time, Pietro Petrovic Milkin replied that as a matter of fact, I have come to meet to you only, but I have not come to meet you, daughter Anastasia Kirillovna. Here we have found the another name of Nesta, that is the Anastasia Kirillovna, that is the Nesta Kandaskin. So, in this way, Milkin speak to Kandaskin in an inaudible manner. Slowly he is speaking to Kandaskin. And he also told that he has just come to meet Kandaskin. Because Pietro Petrovic Milkin just observed something in his eyes, those things he has to discuss with Kandaskin. That's why he has arrived to the office of the Kandaskin. In this way, he replied to Kandaskin. And what is it you intend to discuss? Said Kandaskin with a wink. At the time, Kandaskin replied that what is that you want to discuss with me? He was talking with Milkin. He was smiling also, Kandaskin smiling also. Why are you so fast? That means, why are you so confused? He asked Milkin that why are you so flustered? Why are you so confused that you want to discuss with me? My dear sap, my dear child, my dear fellow, why are you so confused? Tell me. Wait, behind the ears, that's your trouble. I know what you want to discuss. It's time about. So, in this way, Kandaskin replied to Pietro Petrovic Milkin that why are you so confused, my dear man, my dear child, my dear fellow? The weight behind your ears is becoming weighty. That's your trouble. Is there any trouble? I know what you want to discuss. It's about time. So he said also that he knows what he wants to discuss about. He knows everything. In this way, what does it mean? The Kandaskin mean that Kandaskin knows everything about Pietro Petrovic Milkin and about his daughter, about the relationship of Pietro Petrovic Milkin and Nasta Kandaskin, that is the Anastasia Kirillovna, and he was smiling and talking with Kandaskin in this manner. To put in a nutshell, in a manner of speaking, the fact of the matter is that I have come to say goodbye to you. I am leaving tomorrow. So then Milkin told Kandaskin that to put Milkin then replied to Kandaskin that to put in a nutshell, in a manner of speaking, the fact of the matter is that I have come to say goodbye to you. I am leaving tomorrow. What is the matter? Kandaskin said to Kandaskin is being told by Pietro Petrovic Milkin that to put in a nutshell, the manner of speaking and the fact of the matter is that Kandaskin Milkin, that is Pietro Petrovic Milkin, wants to say goodbye to Kandaskin because to leave tomorrow from here. Then he replied, "How do you mean leaving?" asked Kandaskin, his eyes bulging. So at the time Kandaskin was surprised. How do you mean leaving? Leaving means what? Why are you leaving? Kandaskin asked to Milkin, and the eyes of the Kandaskin was also bulging. Quite simply leaving, that's all. Permit me to thank you for your cordial hospitality. Your daughters are so nice. I shall never forget the moments which then Milkin, Pietro Petrovic Milkin said to Kandaskin that quite simple that he is leaving, that is all, and he wants permission from Kandaskin to leave from there, and he also thanked to Kandaskin for his cordial hospitality with Pietro Petrovic Milkin, and he thanked for the friendly behavior of Kandaskin, but formal and polite welcome accorded to the guests and visitors. Cordial hospitality means friendly but formal and polite welcome accorded to guests and visitors. So Pietro Petrovic Milkin was behaved at the house of Kandaskin. He was very much friendly with all the family members of Kandaskin, and he also thanked for his special behavior of the daughter of Kandaskin, and he said also that he also appreciated for his daughters, and he also told Kandaskin that he will not forget the moments which he spent with the daughter of the Kandaskin. That is, he was dining and he was walking with the daughter of the Kandaskin. All these moments he will not forget at all. In this way, he was talking Milkin. More, you see, allow me, said Kandaskin, going purple in face. I don't quite understand you. Of course, every man has the right to go away you can do whatever you please. But my dear sir, you are evading the issue. It is dishonest. Then Kandaskin said, allow me means what? You wants to take permission from me to leave from here. Allow me. I don't understand. And his face become red and blue. Kandaskin, I don't quite understand you. And he said to Milkin that Kandaskin doesn't quite understand what he wants to say. And he also said that of course, yes, of course, everyone has the right to go away wherever he want to go, and you also have the right to go. You also have the right to leave the place, and you also have the right to leave according to your choice. But why, my dear sir, but my dear Milkin, you are evading the issue. You are trying to avoid the issue. It is quite dishonest. Here the issue means what? Kandaskin said to Milkin that Milkin is trying to avoid the issue, that is the issue of the marriage of the Nesta Kandaskin with Pietro Petrovic Milkin. He is going to avoid the issue, which is according to Kandaskin quite dishonest. Then Milkin replied, you see, I don't understand in what way I am evading the issue. Milkin replied, even though Milkin knows everything, that he is in love, he is taking the chance for walking with the daughter of Kandaskin, and he is taking dinner and supper at the house of Nesta Kandaskin. That is the issue. That means he is in love with Kandaskin. Just he is taking the chance. He give a bunches of flower to Nesta, the daughter of Kandaskin. That is, even he said, you see, he feigned himself that I. That means he. That means Milkin said that he don't understand in what way he is trying to avoid the issue, and what is the issue. Next, you see, you have been coming here all summer, eating, drinking, chatting with to the girls morning, noon, night, and then suddenly it is I am leaving. So there. Then Kandaskin said to Milkin that Milkin have been coming here to the house of Kandaskin all the summer, eating there, drinking there, chatting with the daughter of Kandaskin, morning time, noon time, night time, every time. And then suddenly he is leaving. So there, what is the matter? And suddenly he is leaving. He is taking the chance. He is in love. Everybody is known about the matter, about the fact. Then Milkin, I didn't encourage any hopes. Then he replied that Milkin didn't encourage any hope. That this hope means Milkin did not encourage to Kandaskin or to Nesta that he will marry Nesta Kandaskin. In this way, he is talking with Kandaskin. So ultimately, my dear students, Milkin wants to leave the issue. Milkin doesn't want to marry Nesta Kandaskin. He is a man of taking chance, taking the opportunity, and whenever chance came to him, he wants to avoid the issue. Just he took the benefit from the house of Kandaskin, from Nestor Kandaskin also. So my dear student, this is all for today. In my next class, I will start the remaining paragraphs of the short story. Thank you. You all stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye. Good day.